We'll do another one. We'll do it together. All right. Ready? Yeah. Hi, I'm Penn, and this is Teller. And together we're Penn and Teller. We're magicians. We do a lot of stuff. Not the musician that you think. I'm not a cowfucker or anything like that. But anyways, I'm not the magician. Jason Ellis, by the way, I want to talk to you about Jason Ellis. Australian, now he's trying to be a surfer. Bullshit, man. Swollen Members. Red Dragon's a new song. I heard it today.
Red Dragon, boys.
This is, you know who this guy is? He got knocked the fuck out.
I'm fucking crazy, Jerry, and I got knocked the fuck out in Ellis Mania too.
I'm not back. I just want you guys to know, Ellis, just so you know, I didn't put him on the guest list. He had to pay for a ticket.
Yeah, I did have to pay him.
It's Awesome World.
Yeah.
Hey, so here's the deal. Swollen Members' new record coming out when?
October 13th, on to the Chief. Get it in, don't trip, you're not on vacation.
Ellis Mania, I'm scared right now. The reason I'm scared right now, I'm not really supposed to be doing this, but if you guys look, I'm being followed by a Hell's Angel.
I'm scared. I'm being followed too. He's behind me.
Watch out, Crazy Jared. Ellis Mania. Alright guys, hope to see you soon. Thanks for all the support and love. Red Dragon, motherfucker. Jared, you don't even know. You yell Red Dragon, but you don't even know the logo. Show him.
Fucking unbelievable. See a guy that I don't fucking like and let the heater go. See a couple haters later, they don't wanna see me though. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, drop the Glock, cock it so. Keep your mouth shut, I'll go off, you gon' pay for it. Shoot your house up, then ride off on a skateboard. I don't really need a bitch, you should see the clip. Leader with this shit, you should quit. Look at Peter Pitt. I am so conceited, I am needed, I'm the leader trick. Mad child's back, don't trip, bitch, eat a dick. Never talk to the cops, always plead the fifth. Hard rock, look at them like dog, I don't need a shit. Tagging, I rag strapped up with a magnum. Tattooed up, Gucci jeans still sagging. All these little hipsters dressed in pink look like faggots. I stay dressed in black and I'm still a motherfucking red.